study about moles. Due to some worse technique, our video are not published on proper way. So I will start again video in YouTube channel. So now let us study about mole. Mole is the mole. This is moles. मोल्स मीन्स आपका क्या है? मोल मीन्स आपका 6.023 इंटू 10 पावर 23 एटम्स, सच एज डजन. 1 dozen contain 12 units. In the same way, 1 mole contain 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. तो मोल्स मीन्स आपका क्या है? काउंटिंग यूनिट्स. मोल मीन्स काउंटिंग यूनिट्स. वन मोल equal to Na. That is, Na means Avogadro number. 1 moles equal to Na, that is Avogadro number. Value of this Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. So 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen equal to 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of H. Then 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of H2 equal to 1 mole of H2. 1 mole of H2. In the same way, 6.023 into 10 power 23 ion of hydrogen equal to 1 mole of H plus, that is hydrogen ion. In the same way, mole such as counting units, you know about moles. 1 dozen contain 12 units. In the same way, that is 1 mole equal to Avogadro number, that is Na. Value of Na, that is Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. In the same way, find out number of moles in different step. 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen equal to 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Then further 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen equal to 10 power 1 mole of H2. Then further you explain about moles. Then definition of moles also explain. Dear students, chemistry is very simple, but you learn about some tricky points with respect to this subject. So simply you define definition of moles. Definition of moles you also explain. Definition of moles. Definition of mole. You can define moles. Definition of moles. One mole is any compound. One mole is any compound which contains many entities as atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes. You also explain definition of mole. Mole is any compound contains many entities as atom present in 12 gram of C12 isotope. C12 isotopes. You know, in the same way, number of moles equal to number of species or units. Number of moles equal to number of species or units. Number of species or units upon Na. So that is capital N, then small n is equal to capital N upon Na. This is the formula. Find out number of moles. Small n is the number of moles, capital N number of units, number of units or number of species. Na is the Avogadro number. Value of Na, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules or atoms. So this is the sum about moles.